Hey there, so here's how you can use those bonus backgrounds that come with your purchase. First thing you want to do is identify which slide you're going to want. So let's say I want this background. I'm going to hit Control C, which is I can also do edit and copy. Then I'm going to come to the presentation where I want to input this new slide. And I want to put it as my title slide, so I'm going to put it right up front. So you'll see I have this new slide. And next thing I want to do is I like to drag around the whole slide to make sure that I get everything. Another thing I do is just hit Control A, and I'm going to just copy. So Control C, copy that, and then I'm going to paste it on my new slide. Now you'll notice the formatting got off just a little bit. Remember, there is that transparent text box on top to prevent the moving with the mouse, but I'm just going to fix that really quickly. And another thing that you might notice is your buttons will change because now your table of contents that we link to, it's changed in the slide. That's an easy fix. So I'm happy with this, the way that it looks, and I see that my video came over. So I'm going to go ahead and just delete my old background that I don't want anymore, because I copied all of my content. And then I'm also going to delete this because this was just for the video. So now I have my button is linked correctly, and I have my brand new background, and I could change that as many times as I want. Hope this helps you use these backgrounds. Thanks.